Tourism for inclusive growth is truly the need of the hour, and it holds absolute relevance in the post pandemic world. On World Tourism Day 2021, the recently elected team of SCOL International Bombay 144 endorses this very fact. Let's hear from the team on Remarkable, a platform for stories of sense and not sensationalism.
As the tourism industry is opening up post the pandemic, the airlines have products and services ready to service the inclusive tourism industry to provide all our customers a seamless travel experience. Let's hope things work out well and all of us are able to service all our customers to their satisfaction.
Inclusive tourism has always been a part of Vinayak Holidays, and definitely in near future is going to take a big leap, and we are also going to support it a lot.
On World Tourism Day, would like to foster awareness and kickstart inclusive tourism growth. Pandemic has taught us a big lesson, and as we all know, we have three verticals: hotel, airline, travel agents. There's a need for three verticals, taking along with us all other ancillary verticals. This will stimulate inclusive tourism, whether it's domestic or international. Thus, the economy will grow faster, thereby we all achieve our goal and contribute to the society. On the occasion of World Tourism Day, I wish that you are blessed with more and more holidays, to see many more new places and create beautiful memories to cherish and leave footprints for others to follow.
We'd like to lead by example and lead from the front and show how we can be part of promoting inclusive tourism amongst all travelers, and we'd like to set such standards by spreading positivity and happiness.
In my tenure of more than 2 decades in the travel and tourism industry and being on leadership roles in various organizations, my endeavor has always been to make people feel welcome and included. Not only do we emphasize on instilling confidence in people, but also motivate them to sign up for new experiences.
Glad to hear the voice of inclusive tourism being discussed in India. Nothing teaches our life better than traveling. So let's ensure all individuals can travel to explore, to learn and expand their knowledge. Happy World Tourism Day.
Wishing each and every one of you a very happy World Tourism Day. The past 18 months should have taught each and every one of us several lessons, and we at SCOL Bombay are extremely proud to convey that we are going to be championing the cause of inclusive tourism. I think it's a very, very important aspect of tourism that everybody should be made aware of, and we are definitely going to do our bit in making the world a better place. Come join us in the revolution. Thank you.
As a CSR director this time on the board, I would like to take the opportunity to contribute whatever best we can do to a society, because as a businessman, I would always want to give back to the society from where I have benefited during the course of this 25 years in the travel trade. Thank you.
I come with an experience of 25 years in the travel and tourism industry, and as a director of events in my tenure, I would not just want my industry friends to come and network at the events, but also do some quality business with each other and help to grow our tourism industry.
As a tourism professional who's had the privilege of working with a number of organizations that have been embracing an entire community of travelers, regardless of ability, I would like to put my experience to use in, skills development, mentoring, or providing advice to young professionals on the importance of inclusive tourism and things that they could look out for when they're selling destinations.
They say a job fills the pocket, but travel fills the soul. The challenge for our world today is to bring these two together, to provide the benefits of tourism to all stakeholders in a sustainable manner. The hospitality industry gives employment to millions, giving access to a career across the world. And I wish you a happy World Tourism Day.